Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video you're going to see how to put text behind a person. So open CapCut, then start a new project. Okay, so you're going to select the video or the image that you're going to be using for this case. Okay, so I think let me select a photo for this case. Okay, so I'll select that photo, then I say add. Okay, so that is the photo I've selected. So in this photo, I'll come on text. Then I say add text. So I'll put any text. Okay, so let me say I'll put that. Okay, when I put that, I'll come to styles. Then I think I'll put the yellow style. No, I'll put the black style. Okay, or the red style. Okay, we'll go the black one. Then you can adjust. I'll adjust the text a bit. Okay, so adjust it to that level. Okay, so when I'm done doing that, I can tick from here, then I tap on save. So it will be exported very fast. Okay, so after being exported, tap on done. Okay, then come and open a new project again. So when you open a new project, come to the saved project you've just saved right now, then say add. You're importing the project that you have just saved. Okay, so after importing it, come to this last option that says ending, then delete it. Okay, so after deleting it, come to the plus icon. So when you come to the plus icon, this time round you're not importing the saved project, so this time round come and import a photo. Okay, so you import this photo here, the same photo that you had imported earlier on. Okay, so this time when you come to this photo, you tap on it. Okay, so when you tap on it, scroll this side till you see overlay. Okay, so when you see overlay, you come and drag this photo to make it fit with the first one. Okay, so as you can see, it's now fitting with the first one. So what you want to do is quite simple. Come and tap on this overlay. Okay, so when you tap on the overlay, come to cutouts, then remove background. Okay, so when you remove background, you tick. Okay, so after ticking, as you can see, the words will be behind this person. Okay, as you can see, the words or the text is behind the person. Okay, so that's how to add the text behind the person. Okay, so as you can see from this point here where I'm touching in his face, the word is saying hey guys, but it's right behind him. Okay, so that's how it works in CapCut. Alright, so if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing and leave a like for this channel. Alright.